Hello guys. In this video we will see that how we used a very mediocre balance of $200 and we made a total of more than $20,000. Yeah, I'm not mistaken, I'm exactly talking about $20,000 just from a starting of $200. And in a very limited number of trades. And you will see that how we carried out our each trade and how exactly we performed every single entry and even every single tail as has been explained to you in this video. And especially we try to not to cut any major part of the video as that you will see every single thing very clearly. Just some minor mistakes have been edited. And yeah, everything is in clear-cut form and ready for you to understand. And now you can see that we have just started the trade and now we are looking for trade. And first of all, we adjusted the size of entry and as soon as we found the entry, we instantly placed sell entries with full margin. So now you can see that I also placed the trend line on the screen for you and you can see it is in front of you and the trend line is for you. And also we are going to place the arrow line on the screen for you. And after that we will just place the bars on the screen. The upper bars and the lower bar or whatever you like to call it, upper base or lower base or vice versa. So now we are just waiting for the candle to make some movement so that we can make our moves, which means we can. Which place more entries or if you want to close it, we will close. So, yeah, you can now see that the market is not moving very fast and it is not fluctuating really well. So, yeah, the profit here will be slow, but it will be quite safe and it will be safer than our market which moves fast. We are currently in a loss but expect to turn a profit. We are confident, even though it's a slow market, which will take time. Our belief stems from experience and expertise gained through practice. Still till right now we are in loss and you can see the red candle has started to form which means we have started to come in profit. So we are placing more and more entries and you can see we touched $20 profit. And we are even going for more and you can see we are going for some more profit. And again the candle is going up not in our direction, but still we are in profit and we will be in profit till we'll be in profit in this trade. Because as I told you, I'm confident about my trades and we are we will be also be optimistic and not single bad things about our trades. So yeah, you can see now we have placing more and more entries and there you can see we've touched almost $100 mark end. There you can see we are going good and there we have also crossed $300 in this light. It is a huge pump and we are placing more and more entries with full margin and here even we are looking to go for more and we expecting it to. More and there is nothing bad with it. So we are just hopeful that it will go better and you can see we have crossed more than $350 and we are going for more and more. And you can see we have closed this trade and we closed at a total of $711 just from a starting of $200, which means $511 profit in a single trade. And it is a very good profit or yeah, the maximum profit we could take in this trade because after that there would be some leverage issues and we would have lost it. So, yeah, now we have adjusted the size of entry to 1 o'clock and we are placing more and more sell entries. And those who might get this question that why do we change the size of entry every single time in a trade? So you can see that whenever there is a major change in the balance with which we are starting a trade, then for sure they must The size of the entry needs to be changed because you cannot trade with $200 and $1,000 with the same size of entry. So that is exactly what we did here, and we have placed the trend line on the screen for you. So now you can see we are like thinking to place, we are like looking to make more and more, and there you can see now we'll be placing the basis on the screen, upper base, so the lower base and the upper bar and the lower bar, and it is right in front of you and we are going good with it. So yeah, we have placed sell entry and there it is. You have cost more than $200 in profit, and reflecting it is a fast moving market here. So yeah, it will be a like good trade. So it will be like the fluctuation will be also good here. So that yeah, there is a large chance for us to lose here. But because of our expertise and we knowledge, we will not be losing anything because we are like have put some efforts in learning it. So, we will be in the profit phase now. We are optimistic about that rate. You can see that we are placing more and more sanitary products there. We can see we have crossed more than 1200 in profit, and it is still growing more and more, and we are still hopeful that it will like go more, but we'll be waiting for that. So we will thinking to close it, and yeah, it cost $1,600 and it was $1,700 in there. It is the $2,000 mark, and we are looking to close it here and there. We closed it at a total of $330,000 and $3,100 something dollars. It is a very like great total balance with just a starting of, if you remember, $200. So now we will be using this balance in our next trade so that we will see that how much profit we can make with the help of such a large balance. And therefore that according to the balance we have to adjust the size of the entry, which we adjusted to 5. And now we will be like looking forward to see if we can make more than that. And you can see we have placed the lower bar on the screen, and after that we will be placing the upper bar on the screen because it is a buy entry. So and now again we have placed another buy entry, so also we will just see that how we can make more than that, and right now we are in loss. But because of our entry size, you can see that our market is below the entry, but the candle is moving fast. So we are hopeful that it will go in profit, and there it went in profit. So we gain place more and more buy entries, and there you can see the buy entries have been placed, and we are even looking to make more than that. So yeah, it is in front of you, and we have placed more and more buy entries, and we will probably making more than that because we are confident about our trade. And with this balance, if you remember, the starting was more than $3,100. So you can imagine the amount of profit, which is I'm not showing you, I will be let us as a surprise, and you will be surprised to learn the enormous profit made so far. We've made over $4,500 in profit to date. It's not the total balance, the overall amount is much higher. We're looking to close it here. But probably, yeah, we closed it, and we closed at a total of $10,000 balance. And now we will be using this $10,000 balance and see how much more profit we can make till in the next trade. So yeah, we will be using this $10,000 balance in our next trade and see how much more we can make. So it is such a large balance. So handling it is also quite difficult, because when you put $10,000 in market all at once, the market also it has some impact on the market. Do you need to be smart with trading given such a large balance? You can see the size of the entry has been same since the last trade. So we thought of changing it, but it is a very perfect size according to me for with this balance as well. So yeah, now you can see that we have placed some buyer entries with full margin and the market is below that. So we are right now not in profit. So but we will be shortly, because as far as I have analyzed this market has been able to go up. So yeah, it will go up. So now I've also placed the upper bar and the lower bar on the screen, also the arrow line for you. And now we will be observing it so that it can go in, it may go in profit. So it is like looking like it's going good. So we'll be like, it will be like going up more than that, so we are going in profit. So let's see that whether it will be going in more than 10,000 or not. If we double the profit here or not. If we are able to double the profit, then for sure we are ending up good. So yeah, you can see we are right now in loss, but as soon as we cross it, we'll be in profit. And you can see minor fluctuation causes a difference of $1,000 with the large balance. As I was mentioning earlier, that while dealing with the larger balance, you have to be proper at you'll have to be properly mentally present, so that you should you should have a very precise calculation or precise thinking, that you should think precisely. And now you can see the next candle is going good. So we at the market has slowed down a bit, or it has been slow since the beginning, because the fluctuation is big. It is not that it is fluctuating very rapidly. The fluctuation is very big due to the large balance. So we have to just wait for some time so that it may go in profit and we get what we desired. So we will see that you can see it is growing again. So it is like good. So yeah, you can see here we are more than $500,000 in profit. And but it is nowhere near to our balance, and we were expecting to double our balance in this trade. So it is going good, and here we are more in profit. So we are placing more and more binary, and there we are more than about $10,000, and I think here we will touch the $10,000 mark. This trade shows an upward trend, and since the market is slow, it will only go up without fluctuating back. Therefore, it's safe to close it here. I believe it's prudent to wait, as it won't fluctuate rapidly. You can see where we closed a total of $21,000 balance, and even $324 more than that. So it is a very great balance, and it is in the market is played very well. And that was all in this video. This is all about this strategy, and now if you want to learn more such strategies and about trading, then you should join our Telegram channel, the link to which has been provided in the description. And also, this video is for educational purposes only, and we are not your financial advisors. So trade at your own risk. Also, if you want this strategy, then there is a link provided in the description. You should follow that link and you will get the strategy. Also, if you like this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and push the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of the updates from our channel. We continually release giveaways and other benefits for our regular subscribers, who gain numerous advantages.